Hello all, good morning. This is Dr. S. Subbalakshmi, an Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. This is a lecture video series on the course Matrices and Calculus, and we are on to the topic Leslie Matrix, Leslie Model, Eigenvalue Problems. So in the previous classes, we have seen what is a Leslie Matrix and what are the problems dealing with Leslie Matrix. So this is a very small remembrance for Leslie Matrix. In the first row, it will contain B1, B2 and B3. The second row, it will contain S1, the survival rate from stage 1 to 2. And in the second row, it will contain the survival rate from stage 2 to 3. So we will move on to the problem. Let the oldest age attained by the females in some animal population be 6 years. So you are given birth, the total span of the animal is 6 years. Dividing the population into 3 age classes, 2 years each, what will we have? We will have 3 set of classes. One is from 0 to 2, the second is from 2 to 4, and third is from 4 to 6. There will be 3 age classes for 6 years. Each of the thing have been measured in the Leslie matrix as L is equal to 0, 2.3 and 0.4 as birth rates, and 0.6 as S1 and S2 is 0.3. So you are given with all the values as a Leslie matrix. So we need not form the Leslie matrix here. What is our question? The question is, what is the total number of females in each class? What is the total number of females in each class after 2, 4 and 6 years? If each class initially contains 500 females. So, in the initial case, N0, if each of the classes is 500, what will happen for the female rats after 2 years, after 4 years and after 6 years? That is what our first question is. So, for this question, we will answer in this video. You are given with the initial population, it is N0. N0 is 500 each. So you are given with the initial population which is N0, it is 500, 500 and 500. What is N1? N1 is the number of female population in each class after 2 years. After 2 years it is N1, after 4 years it is N2, and after 6 years it is N3. So these are the things we are going to calculate in this video. Firstly, we will calculate N1. As per the formula, what we have, N1 is equal to L power 1 into N0. N1 is equal to L power 1 into N0. So we are substituting the L matrix here and N0 matrix here. How will you multiply a 3 cross 3 matrix and a 3 cross 1 matrix? You will use the 7 method. So 0 into 500 is 0 plus 2.3 into 500 plus 0.4 into 500. This will be the first row elements. What will be there in the second row? It will have 0.6 into 500, 0 into 500 is 0 and 0 into 500 is 0 again. And what will be there in the third row? It is 0 into 500, it is 0 into 500 and 0.3 into 500 plus 0 into 500. So the resultant matrix will be 3 cross 1 matrix. So the resultant matrix is a 3 cross 1 matrix. So on simplifying this, you will have the values as 1350, 300 and 150. What are these values? These values are the total number of female population in each of the age group 0 to 2, 0 to 2 and 2 to 4 and 4 to 6. 0 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 6. So these are the values which we have got after 2 years. So in the question we are asked to calculate for female population after 2 years, that is totally in all the stages. So what we have to do, we have to add all the 3 values. The first value is 1350, second value is 300 and the third value is 150. So everything we have added and we have got it as 1800. So this is the value of total number of female population after 2 years. And what is N2? N2 is nothing but L squared into N0 or L into N1. We can just have this L squared into N0. N2 is on representing it here. This is L power 2 into N0. On simplifying it using a minor calculation, you will have the total number of female after 2 years. In stage 1 it is 750, in stage 2 it is 810 and in stage 3 it is 90. Which means what is stage 1? Stage 1 is nothing but 0 to 2. Stage 2 is nothing but 2 to 4 and stage 3 is nothing but 4 to 3. The total number of female population in each of the stages is just adding all the values. So it will be given that 750 plus 810 plus 90, which is 1650. So this is our total number of female population after 4 years. In a similar way, we are going to calculate after 6 years, which is N3. N3 is equal to L to the power 3 into N naught. L to the power 3 into N naught. On simplifying it, you will have the values as 1899, 450 and 243. So in age group 1, 2 and 3. In age group 1, 2 and 3, you will have like this. So the total number of female population here is, just adding up all the values, it is 2592. So this is how we will calculate the total number of female population in a Leslie matrix after 2 years, 4 years and 6 years. We will continue this problem in the next video. Thank you.